Luxury Fred, and today I want to talk about what's in this case. I have a Tag Heuer watch, and I sent it in to Tag Heuer for its routine maintenance and servicing. And did you know if you have a fancy watch, you're supposed to get it serviced, I think once a year, once every 2 years. I'll put up what need to look up what the specific info is. And that keeps it tuned up, shall we say, and clean, and they replace the battery and also double check all of the seals, because there's some rubber seals and gaskets that help keep the watch waterproof. So I sent it in, and it was real easy to do. You go online to the Tag Heuer service website and you put in all your info, and then you can print out a shipping label and invoice and stuff like that, and then you basically set up an online account. You send in your watch, and then they alert you that they've received the watch, and then after they check it out, you go back to your online account. You can use that to pay. So what I got done was what they call maintenance 2, which is the basic service. As you can see, it's ultrasonic cleaning of the case and bracelet, replacement of case spring bars, replacement of the battery, crystal gaskets, crown gaskets, etc., etc. Water testing it. So that's $185, and then there's some charge for some other parts that were broken or missing. The crown itself, which is what's used to wind and set it, needed to be replaced, etc., etc. So $185. So the total with tax was $232.63. And a hint, they use PayPal as their payment processor, so I do wish I used my Discover card, because Discover gives you 5% back with PayPal right now, so you could have saved another 5%. So you send the watch raw. You don't send in the packaging and stuff like that. So I carefully packed it in some, like shipping foam and that kind of stuff. And it's cool. They send it back in this case. Anyhow, we open it up, and there is the watch inside. So this is a Tag Heuer. I think it's called a Formula is what the watch is, if I'm not mistaken. But you can see it's cleaned, a little bit of wear on the numbers there, on the bezel actually. And here's the final result. That's how it looks when it's on. And you can see it's nice and shiny and clean. And this is a 10-year-old watch, so of course there is some scratches and normal wear on there. But overall, very happy with the result. Anyhow, but it's been cleaned, and I'm excited to get it back. And the whole process, given that things are a little slowed down because of the pandemic, the whole process took about a month. And very happy with the experience overall, and excited to have my watch back and wear it. Okay, so I'm going to put the watch on. You can see what to do with that. And so that's just a quick review of my experience dealing with service for my Tag Heuer watch. Thanks for watching.